Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best UGG Protector is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make to keep your favorite UGG boots looking their best for years to come, protecting them from the inevitable stains and water damage that comes with daily wear, ensuring that your investment remains stylish and comfortable, no matter the weather or the spills life throws your way. Let's dive into the best options available and how to choose the perfect protector for your UGG boots. Number 5. Scotchgard Fabric Shield. Say hello to Scotchgard Fabric Water Shield, your new ally in protecting your valuable fabrics. It's the simple solution for long-lasting water protection. This shield creates a powerful barrier against water-based spills. Cleaning up messes has never been easier. It's perfect for everything from your comfy couch and favorite pillows to your outdoor gear and clothing. Protect your investment with ease. Use it on upholstery, curtains, table linens, backpacks. The possibilities are endless. Keep your belongings looking their best. From silk ties to canvas shoes, it shields your clothes from spills and stains. It's the ultimate protection for your wardrobe. Application is a breeze, and it dries completely clear and odorless. You'll barely know it's there, but your fabrics will thank you. What we like? It provides strong protection against water-based spills, making cleanup a breeze. Its versatility makes it perfect for various items, from furniture to clothing. If you need a reliable, all-purpose protector for your many household items, this is the one for you. What people say? It seems to be working great. It did not stain or damage the fabric. It was easy to use. Let each layer dry fully. It works well, no color damage, and it really protects from water damage. My shoes have a longer lifespan because of this spray. It works for leather and vinyl also. Covers fabric like a dream and lasts a long time. Number 4. KIWI Sneaker Protector. It's the ultimate solution for keeping your sneakers looking their best. This easy-to-use waterproofer will protect them from the elements. Say goodbye to water stains and damage. It creates an invisible shield, keeping your shoes dry and clean. It helps maintain the original look and feel of your sneakers. This protector will keep them looking new for longer. Application is simple and straightforward. Just follow the instructions for best results. Enjoy long-lasting protection with this powerful formula. It's designed to withstand daily wear and tear. For decades, KIWI has been a trusted name in shoe care. This protector upholds the tradition of quality and performance. What we like? This product is specifically designed for sneakers, offering reliable waterproofing. It's suitable for all genders, making it a versatile choice for your footwear needs. If you are looking for a dedicated sneaker protector, this is a great option. What people say? The spray works. The water just beads up. It saved my sneakers. It stopped a nasty rust stain on a cloth white pair of my sneakers. The stain came out with a little bit of work. Super easy, spray it on your shoes. It may have made the shoes a tiny bit darker, but maybe that was just when I was spraying it and it was still wet. Next day my son walked to school, he came home without wrinkled up feet. It was a whole lot better than the last time. This waterproof spray is very useful for small splashes of water. Whenever it rains and this is spray on my shoes does not get wet. Very ideal for showers but not downpours, but still very useful. Number 3. UGG Shoe Care Kit. This kit is your secret weapon for keeping your UGGs looking their best. It has everything you need to clean and protect your favorite sheepskin and suede boots. Start by gently cleaning your shoes with the included brush and cleaner. It's designed to remove dirt and stains without damaging the delicate materials. Next, use the conditioner to nourish and protect the leather and suede. This will help keep them soft and supple. Finally, apply the protector to create a barrier against future stains and water damage. It will keep your shoes looking great for longer. With simple, step-by-step instructions, it's easy to keep your UGGs looking their best. Enjoy your beautifully maintained shoes for years to come. This kit provides everything you need for complete care and maintenance of your UGG boots. Keep them looking brand new with this essential kit. What we like? This kit is tailored for UGG shoes, offering specialized care for sheepskin and suede. It provides the specific cleaning and protection your UGGs need to stay looking their best. If you own UGGs and want to keep them in top condition, this is a must-have. What people say. The products work well and do a great job of cleaning and maintaining the sheepskin and suede. Like this product, works as it says on my old UGG sheepskin boots. It really brought them back to life. I love this product. It saved my UGGs that I thought were ruined, and after washing with a cleaner and conditioner and then letting it sit for 24 hours and dry and then using the protectant spray and letting my UGGs dry then using the brush. They look brand new. They haven't been this clean since I first bought them. The products are so easy to use and now my boots are waterproof again. Number 2. Garde Protector Spray. It creates an invisible shield to protect your belongings from water, stains, and other damage. Keep your favorite items looking their best, no matter the weather. It won't change the color or leave any residue. It's gentle yet highly effective, trusted by top fashion brands. From handbags and shoes to furniture and car interiors, it protects a wide variety of materials. Give all your treasured items the best protection. Simply spray it on and let it dry. It's that easy to protect your valuable items from the elements. We're proud to manufacture and support our products here in the USA. Your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. What we like. It creates an invisible shield against various stains and water damage without altering the color of your items. It's suitable for a wide range of leather goods and fabrics. If preserving the original look of your favorite leather goods is a priority, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It works wonders on various materials, including delicate vachette leather, which can be tricky to maintain. I've used it on my luxury handbags without any worries about altering the color or texture. The formula is lightweight and dries clear, so you can barely tell it's there after application. The effectiveness of the Apple Garde spray is another reason I keep coming back to it. I've used it in various weather conditions, and it consistently provides a solid layer of protection against water and stains. I've been buying this for a few years and it was recommended for my expensive bags. The bags I use it on are both leather and fabric. I spray on the whole bag to protect it with no problems. It worked so well that now my husband sprays all his and our kids' new shoes with it. It really makes a difference with keeping the shoes cleaner longer, and when they do get dirty it's way easier to just wipe clean. Number 1. Cobbler's Choice Repellent. It's the ultimate protection for your favorite shoes and bags. This repellent will keep them looking their best for longer. Say goodbye to water stains. It provides superior water resistance, shielding your items from unexpected showers. Worried about spills and stains? Don't be. This spray creates a protective barrier against everyday messes. It's suitable for a wide variety of materials. Use it on your leather boots, suede jackets, or fabric sneakers with confidence. Simply spray it on and let it dry. It's that easy to protect your valuable items from the elements. Enjoy long-lasting protection with just a few sprays. It keeps your belongings looking new for longer. What we like. It effectively protects leather, suede, and fabric from water and stains with an easy application process. This makes it a convenient and versatile solution for various materials. If you need a simple yet effective solution for multiple materials, this is a great option. What people say. I've sprayed my Timberland Earth Keepers, a work pair of leather cloves and a pair of Merrill winter mocks. I only have a tiny bit left in the first can, so I'm back to order another. So far I've seen no staining, felt no water get in, and the application was easy. After the treatment, water beads on the surface and my feet were completely dry. Not long enough to determine the stain resistance claims, but highly satisfied. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.